Welcome to Is Coldcard Wallet Safe? Usage Experience. Links to the Coldcard wallet and additional resources are in the description below. Coldcard is a hardware wallet designed with Bitcoin enthusiasts and security-first users in mind. It's built for individuals who want complete control over their Bitcoin holdings, offering robust protection against online threats and providing cold storage for long-term Bitcoin storage. One of Coldcard's standout features is its air-gapped design. This means it never needs to connect to the internet, reducing the risk of hacking or malware attacks. Coldcard is fully offline during the signing of transactions, ensuring that private keys are kept safe from online vulnerabilities. The wallet uses micro SD cards to transfer transaction data, providing an additional layer of security. This air-gapped approach is especially appealing to privacy-conscious users and those holding significant amounts of Bitcoin. Coldcard also integrates multi-signature functionality, a feature that enhances security by requiring multiple devices or people to approve transactions. This makes it a great choice for businesses or families that want to add extra layers of protection to their funds. For advanced users, Coldcard offers support for PSBT, partially signed Bitcoin transactions, allowing for complex workflows while maintaining the highest security standards. Another key feature is its self-destructive backup option. Coldcard ensures that your backup phrase is never compromised by employing multiple backup mechanisms, allowing users to easily store their recovery phrases in a secure location. For those prioritizing ultimate security and privacy, Coldcard is one of the best options available. With its air-gapped design, multi-signature support, and focus on cold storage, it ensures that your Bitcoin is as safe as possible from online threats. Be sure to check out the links in the description for more details on how Coldcard can help safeguard your assets.